Hi, welcome to TAG, the best phonics stories ever, Volume A, Number 2, High Frequency Words, brought to you by Little Pine Education. Take a look at this image on the front. What do you predict the story will be about? Let's practice the high frequency words that we will be learning in this story. Repeat after me. I, she, he, we, us. Listen to me as I read the story. I like tag. She likes tag. He likes tag. We like tag. See us run. This time, join me if you can. I like tag. She likes tag. He likes tag. We like tag. See us run. Last time, let's see if we can go faster. I like tag. She likes tag. He likes tag. We like tag. See us run. That's the end of this story. Thanks for joining me at Little Pine Education, where every little pine deserves a chance to grow. Bye-bye. See you next time.